Can I look at this stuff? What else we got in here? A PS Vita. It has a GameCube reader on it. This little... Ooh, 'cause I am not letting these guys go in my house. Hey guys, today we go to some yard sales and then the flea market. We find a huge lot of video games and it turns out they're infested with cockroaches. Let's get to it. Do you have any more like video game stuff by chance?
I don't think so. The other one sold of that one.
What, the game?
Yeah, I know I had a...
Or like these little things?
Yeah, I don't have any more of those. I have just for the DS.
Okay.
And, but
I think there's some games.
there's games in here. Yeah, there's 5 games in here.
What do you want on that?
What do you want? What do you want to give me?
5?
Sure.
All right, 5 and 3?
Yep.
All right.
Take a look and see what you want to give me.
Okay.
50 cents. $3.
Okay. Would you take 10 for this? Okay.
Sure.
So that's 18.
Gotcha.
18.
Make sure Robert's like name and pictures are in.
What did you want on this?
I think you wanted 20 for everything.
20?
All 3 of those things. Or, you know, all of that and that.
Okay. How much you want on your knives?
$5 each.
$5 each. $2. Yeah, I know.
So that's why I'm like, well, I'm not gonna do it for free because that was
Yeah.
the thing.
I've always wanted to play this game.
It hurts.
Yeah, I've always wanted to play. I've always seen it. Oh, dude, this is sweet. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
You can make a whole tree.
Oh yeah.
I don't know who that is. It has a little sound. It might come off.
Okay.
And it's got the
The Connect.
yeah, where you can.
What are you asking on the Xbox? Okay. Could you do 30 on it? To get all that other stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And then you said 5
For all of it.
all this. 50 cents, all right. But that I could, yeah, I could throw it in.
Okay.
What do you want on these glasses?
Yeah, just 50 cents.
All right. Here, Chris. Oh, these babies.
60.
You say we're at 6? My wife did find a whole lot of Disney shirts. I think she found about 30 to 40 Disney shirts. I didn't get it all on video because it was just too much. She did go through them with a lint roller because there was some cat hair, there were some stains, but I made about 2 lots on there on eBay. But I listed about 2 lots of Disney shirts. We're looking to get around 200 to 300 from eBay. That's, of course, that's before fees and before shipping. But I was able to make 2 lots, 1 large lot and 1 extra large lot. This is the Ender Dragon, right?
Yeah, they're at one point they were both really into Minecraft.
Give me that Mohana hook. Let me see that. Let me see that.
I just saw this movie.
Yeah, I'll take them. Yeah. That's so cool. Okay, $5 a piece. That's pretty neat. Nice one. It is football season, right?
Mm-hmm.
Could you do 20 on all three?
About 25.
Yeah, we'll do 25. Let me see.
Like a pot.
I could do 10. 10 on the box. That'd be 35 with everything. You good with 10? Yeah. Alright, that's cool.
So like 35.
35. Could you do 25 from the stack?
Yeah.
Okay.
This morning there's a hose came apart.
Oh no.
This is so cool. You took both of these? Would you take 15 on both?
Yeah, we can do 30 for both.
Okay. And I'll take this hat. It's pretty cool. So those headphones, you want to keep in mind on eBay, there are scammers. You will run into scammers as you're running your business. I had to refund these headphones, but I reached out to eBay. He sells headphones on his account on eBay. And so I went to his positive feedback. What you can do sometimes on certain purchases, if it's for a lot of money or it's a big purchase, a heavy purchase, you can go to the positive feedback and look through it. And sometimes other sellers, they'll actually leave negative feedback disguised as positive feedback on there. And so when I was searching through his positive feedback, it said that he was doing return scams. He was buying electronics from certain people's accounts, and he was swapping the item and returning the item back. So it was a return scam. Now, what's crazy is this guy had a lot of feedback. He had a lot of positive feedback. At the same time, he was doing good business, but he was buying from people on eBay and doing return scams. I have no idea why he did that. I had pictures of the serial numbers from the headphones, so I was able to match that with the ones that he sent me. eBay will force you to give a refund to scammers, no matter what. Every buyer, they have that buyer's guarantee, so they're always going to get refunded. What eBay does is they make you jump through some hoops now. So you have to reach out to them, and then you have to provide the photos and tell them what happened. But eBay will allow you to appeal it, and they will give you your money back. And so I did end up making my money back on this item, but it was a headache.
Help her take it out.
All right. That's cool.
I'll take that. I like trees.
Like, dude, he's all King Kong all the way. Nah, bro. I don't know why we're together. What is that?
It's a
Radar.
radar. I've never used it.
How much you want on this?
Probably 20.
20?
We're gonna take it. This is like a genuine. This one has his lunchbox. This one. The terrapins are... This one's a Santa or snowman.
Okay. How much you want in your bag?
$2. No, I don't. I don't have it.
Everything never used.
Very used, huh? No.
We have a video console.
Oh yeah. Oh, I got you. I got you. Could you do 20 for all three?
Yeah.
Yeah. On this one?
5.
5. Piggy. Can I look at this stuff? I was gonna ask how much you wanted on
Yes, that's it. Excuse me?
I was gonna ask how much you wanted on everything on the bag.
What can you offer me?
50?
All right.
Ahí trae un 20 y traigo feria. Ahí le di un 20. El ojo viol.
How much you want on these?
This and 5 and 5 and 5.
15? Alright.
Oh, she told you?
Yeah.
That's your way?
Yeah.
I'll take
You 30?
You want it?
You know if it turns on?
Yeah, they were using it right now a little while ago. So don't say that.
Alright. $30, I can do 30. Alright, so here is that bag of games that I found at the flea market. That was very surprising. I went there kind of late. This lady had just showed up and she was getting stuff off her truck. So I grabbed that bag, held it to the side and waited for her to finish. And we paid $50 on this. I went through it a little bit, but it looks like we got a Wii U gamepad and nothing is tested yet. So we still have to make sure, we still have to check and see if everything works. We got a Wii, got a GameCube, so sweet. Oh, this is so awesome. We got, oh, I didn't even see that. The Game Boy player on the bottom of it. Oh my gosh. Hopefully it works. We'll have to test it. This is just insane. Got a Wii system, black Wii. Guys, just so you know, picking up stuff at yard sales and flea markets, it gets kind of messy. Sometimes the stuff doesn't work. Sometimes the stuff is filled with bugs, roaches. So a lot of times what I do is I'm pulling this out right now, but when I'm done, it's going back in this bag and I'm probably gonna put it in a trash bag. Wait till you see what's in here. I did look in there. I found this in there, a PS Vita. Oh, this is so sweet. What else we got in here? This little, ooh, yup. What did I say, guys? What did I say, guys? There's bugs. Told you, you gotta be careful what you bring home when you're doing this resale business. It can get crazy. So we're gonna make sure that we put wrap around all this stuff and then stick it back in the bag, because I am not letting these guys go in my house. We got, and in here we have a PSP Go. It looks like. And in this DS case we have G.I. Joe for the DS, Final Fantasy for the DS, we got Pokemon Black for the DS, we have Dinosaur King for the DS, and we got Need for Speed Pro Street for the DS, Nicktoons Attack of the Toybots for the DS. Awesome. So most of these systems actually were broken. The PSP Vita, the controls weren't working on it. It did read games, the touchscreen worked. There was actually a Final Fantasy X game in there as well, and an 8GB memory card. The PSP Go was smashed in the back, but the PSP Go turned on, and it actually had God of War on it. I did clean out the GameCube. The GameCube did not work. I opened up everything outside and I vacuumed it and I air blew it. I put everything in a trash bag for about 24 to 48 hours with roach spray. So most of the time, if I get dirty systems or systems that look a bit clunky, I will put them in bags and leave them outside for a bit with some roach spray. I have more stuff coming for y'all. I'm out there hunting. Yard sales, flea markets. I just got a truck, so I'm gonna try getting into storages soon. I just got some stuff to catch up on, but I'll be getting with y'all sooner than later. If you enjoyed this content, if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Y'all have a great day.